Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create hierarchy in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see the name list and here this is a hierarchy I created. So let's see how it's done. Simply select the name list and Ctrl C to copy this. Go to the Insert tab. In Illustration group, click under Smart Art option. Here you can see the one dialog box is open. Then click on the hierarchy and select the hierarchy pattern chart and click on OK. And here the hierarchy is added. Okay. If you want to change color, you can just go to the Smart Art Design and click on the change color and you can select the any color those you want. Okay. After that, to add the text, go to again Smart Art Design tab. In Create Graphic Group, click on the text pen and here the text pen is added. Simply paste this list of name. I just use here Ctrl V and here you can see the name list it added. Now I'm going to create the group. So in arrow group, I just add these three names. Simply drag with the mouse and select all three names and just press the tab. Okay. Same as in Ananya group, I select these three names and just press the tab. And here in Priya group, I just select the one name, Kabir, and just select the tab. Okay. Other text, I select all and delete it. Okay. And after the create it, just close it and see here the changes. All name and group is created. If you want to change the style, simply go to the Smart Art Design and in Smart Art Style, just click on this drop down arrow and select any style those you want. If you want to change the color, you can see here the color also change. So that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.